This is Talk 650, powered by CBS Radio.
This time of the year is so tough on skin, too, because you're indoors and the heat's on and it dries out, and unless you got a humidifier in the house, you're just kind of literally drying yourself to death. Then you go out into the cold, and you've got that dynamic going on, too, and by the end of the day, your cuticles are all cracked, and your lips are chapped, and you feel older than you need to feel that way.
That's right.
What's a great way to counter that?
Well, seaweed.
Really?
Take it internally and apply it to the skin externally. Seaweed has all the minerals, the vitamins, amino acids, all of the things that your skin cells are bathing in. Seaweed contains in high concentrations. And I've been using seaweed products since about 82, maybe.
Yeah.
Something like that. About 82 I've been using seaweed products, and I can't find anything better.
Where do you acquire the stuff that you use?
Well, I'm glad you asked.
Yeah.
Well, my former husband and I formulated a product line called Source Vital, and we have had this product line. I think we introduced Source Vital in 1989 or 1990, and it was kind of interesting because without a chemistry background, we were still able to start putting this product together. I used to make products in the room when I was doing facials.
Is that right?
That's right. It was amazing. And I called, I went to a trade show by accident. It was a cosmetic ingredients trade show.
You thought it was going to be a gun show, and it turned out to be something else?
No,
I didn't mean to go here.
I thought it was a beauty show for the facial industry, but what it was an ingredients trade show.
How interesting.
These people were handing me ingredients right and left.
The basic stuff.
Yeah, the nitty gritty. And I took it home and thought, what am I going to do with this? So I started playing around putting it on my skin. And one day I was doing something, and I thought, well, maybe I should call the company and ask them about this. And so I called, and they said, well, we'll let you talk to our cosmetic chemist. And got Mr. Bufa on the line, and he said, well, Bria, you can make a cream. And I said, is that right? And he said, oh, sure. You just mix oil and water together and put a thickener in there and stabilizer, and you've got a cream.
Really?
And he said, then you put your active ingredients. And he gave me the confidence, and I did it.
Which gets us back to the seaweed question then.
Right.
What is in yours, without giving away your formula for Coca-Cola, what is in yours that makes it so unique, so different?
Well, seaweed, that's one of the things that's in it. We use different types of seaweed. We use the extract of seaweed. We use the powdered version of seaweed. And then we use, I think there's a couple other different versions of seaweed that we use, a gelled version. Different companies will present their seaweed in a different way, and then we use those they use those now to put into the products.
What is it in seaweed that is so good for us, and why does it work that well?
Well, it's got all the minerals. I mean, if you looked at all of the mineral content of your blood plasma, and all your interstitial fluids, you'll find that the mineral makeup is almost identical to that of seaweed. There might be slight differences, like if there's 0.256 of magnesium in seaweed, there might be 0.267 of magnesium in your blood.
Yeah, so it's a great source for replenishment of the natural balance in your system.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.